Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm introducing KERNEL FORGE version 1.0, a Windows IT toolkit designed to give IT professionals, helpdesk engineers, and system administrators quick access to essential Windows diagnostic and maintenance tools from a single menu. Instead of remembering dozens of commands, everything is available in one place.
Open a notepad, paste the command from description, and save as shown.
Option 1. System information. Purpose displays detailed information about the computer. Useful for checking Windows version. CPU details installed. RAM BIOS version. Network information. Installed hotfixes. Option 2. Resource monitor purpose. Shows real-time hardware usage. Useful for diagnosing high CPU usage, memory leaks, disk bottlenecks, network activity. Option 3. Device manager. Manage hardware devices. Useful for updating drivers, finding missing drivers, disabling faulty hardware. Option 4. Task manager monitor. Running applications, background processes, startup programs, CPU usage, memory usage. Option 5. IP configuration shows IP address, gateway, DNS servers, MAC address. Option 5. IP configuration shows IP address, gateway, DNS servers, MAC address.
Why this toolkit is useful? Instead of remembering dozens of Windows commands, KERNEL FORGE provides a centralized menu that launches commonly used administrative and troubleshooting tools. It helps reduce the time spent navigating Windows menus and is useful for routine diagnostics, maintenance, and support tasks. Typical use cases include helpdesk troubleshooting, desktop support, system health checks, driver management, network diagnostics, Windows repair, hardware information gathering, laptop battery health analysis, firewall and defender management. Who should use it? Helpdesk engineers, desktop support technicians, system administrators, IT students, computer repair technicians, home lab enthusiasts. This is version 1.0 of KERNEL FORGE. Future versions will include additional features such as a live system dashboard, event log analysis, disk cleanup, HTML report generation, software inventory, Windows update tools, and more. The goal is to create a practical Windows administration toolkit that simplifies common IT support tasks. Disclaimer: KERNEL FORGE Windows IT Toolkit is designed to simplify access to legitimate Windows administrative, diagnostic, and maintenance tools by providing a centralized interface for commonly used system utilities. Some features within this toolkit require administrator privileges to function correctly. For the best experience, run the toolkit with administrative rights to ensure all supported features are available. This toolkit is intended solely for use on computers that you own or on systems for which you have explicit authorization to administer or support. It is designed to assist IT professionals, helpdesk engineers, system administrators, students, and technology enthusiasts with routine troubleshooting, system diagnostics, maintenance, and performance analysis. The toolkit does not modify system settings without user interaction. Any maintenance, repair, or configuration action is performed only when the user explicitly selects and executes the corresponding option. Before performing repair operations, major configuration changes, or system maintenance, it is recommended that users create appropriate backups or restore points where applicable. The developer assumes no responsibility for data loss, hardware damage, software issues, or system instability resulting from improper use, misuse, or execution on unsupported environments. Users are responsible for understanding the function of each tool before using it and for ensuring compliance with their organization's policies and applicable laws. By using KERNEL FORGE Windows IT Toolkit, you acknowledge that you understand these responsibilities and agree to use the toolkit in a safe, ethical, and authorized manner. I hope this tutorial helped you learn something new and made Windows administration a little easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video, leaving a comment with your feedback or suggestions, subscribing to the channel so you don't miss future updates, sharing this video with friends and colleagues who may find it useful,